Leslie Gabola is here today from Adapt to It, and today you've brought us, well, 4 different things.
Yeah.
Yes, and one of them, well, a couple of them I kind of obviously know what they are. Mm-hmm. So let's talk about, which one do you want to talk about first?
We'll talk about the biggest one first, this one. And this, I think I've had this on several times, but I can never say too much about it just because it's a simple, easy exercise equipment that you can take anywhere. This one actually folds, so technically you can take it with you anywhere you go. And you can use it tabletop like this, so to exercise your arms. It has a tension rod here, so you can tighten it up, make it a little bit tighter. Mm-hmm. But it's mostly a bike, like you put it in front of a wheelchair, a chair, anything, under a desk, and put your feet on here, and then just use it as a peddler. It's a transportable peddler.
That is great.
And helps with circulation. I've had some people that have to keep moving for circulatory reasons.
Right.
So it does that. It helps with edema, swelling. Gives you, if you have a desk job, you can put it under your desk, and it gives you a little bit of exercise.
That's great. And you know, Leslie invented this because she was riding her bike one day and the wheels fell off. And she goes, what am I doing? Hey, this is a great, no, I'm just kidding. But no, but I can see this is something, you know, even for anyone who maybe even has a desk job, regardless of age, putting this under the desk.
Exactly.
I could see it just kind of relaxing and relieving tension.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Especially if you're working on one of those tough projects and you can't move, but you want to move. Yeah. So this is a good option.
Very cool. All right, I'm going to put this aside.
Okay.
Just so we can see you a little bit better and the other stuff. So let me put that there. Okay, now.
Okay. So now I brought a couple of my favorite hygiene items.
Okay.
We have a ton, we have a huge area of hygiene items. And for anybody that's been in the store, they know that, and that includes all kinds of incontinence products and stuff. But a couple of the things that are overlooked, and one of the things, when people are in the hospital, nobody washes their hair. And so, it's a mess. I mean, if you can't get out of bed, it's a total mess. Now, I being me, when I was a therapist, I used to go in and I used to make the mess and wash people's hair for them. But these weren't invented then. And what this is, it's a shampoo cap. And it is amazing. So it has like non-rinse shampoo in it. You put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds, make it warm, and it's a cap. And you put it on, then you go squish, 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 squish. And then you take it off, and then you towel dry it, comb the hair, and it's clean.
That's amazing.
And it smells great, and your hair dries normally. So it doesn't dry all icky and stringy. It dries beautifully. You can blow dry it.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, it's a fabulous idea.
That's a really good idea.
You know, if you camp, or
there you go. Yeah, this could be for anyone.
Really, camping or going down to help out, you know, for the hurricanes or anything where you can't, you don't have soap and water, but you feel grungy. If you wash your hair, it really helps. So that's a great idea.
Yeah, for camping. I don't camp, but you know, a lot of people do.
Yeah, I love that thing.
All right.
And then the other thing along kind of the same line, this is a foaming body cleanser. And this foam, so you pump it out and it's foam, and it's light and fluffy. It feels really good. It's got olive oil in it and skin conditioners. And it's non-rinse.
Now this is, again, for all the reasons you just said.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And it's non-rinse, so you don't have to worry about it. Again, if somebody is in bed, they can't get up, you can spray it onto a little washcloth if you want, or a sponge, or use it as it is.
Yeah, I like that idea.
And that's real easy.
Very good. Now we're going to move on to, I know that Leslie and all her plethora of canes. She always has different ones and different little things that can go on them. And this one that looks like it's got a kind of a Mardi Gras thing going on.
Yeah, exactly. And we have like probably 10 or 12 of these in the store, not this exact pattern. We have different patterns, different colors.
Right, yeah.
So you can come pick what you like. And I like a couple things about this. Number one is the base, so it has a little bit of a bigger...
Yeah, and you've talked about this before,
stability, right?
Yeah.
And then the other thing is it's pretty. but it has a couple of things on it. This is a holder for your cell phone, keys, a little bit of money, whatever you need. And then this is a light, and it actually works. I don't know if it works to turn it on here, but it you can shine it anywhere, and
That's great.
it moves.
Yeah.
So you can always have your light with you.
That's a great little holder, yeah.
Because one of the things that I've noticed, and this will actually, the holder will go, and this one will go on anything that has like tubing on it.
Oh
so
yeah, you can use it on
walker.
a bike or whatever. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Because one of the things that I've noticed walking through, and it's coming up again, especially in winter, around 4 o'clock, walking through Laguna Woods, there are not a lot of lights.
Yes.
It's
we know that.
It's very poorly lit. So having a little bit of extra light that you can take with you and even have on your mobility equipment to light your way, it's going to prevent falls.
I like that. Yeah, that's a great. And again, you know, the light, you can use that for so many different things.
Exactly, and it moves, so you can do
if you have a
whatever.
walker, if you're just a bicyclist and you don't want to have a permanent light on there nowadays with LED lights, you know, that's going to last for hours off a single battery. So.
Exactly. You don't have to worry about
And I have to
running
mention
out.
something. I've said this. You taught me this a long time ago. There's so many people who walk around, click.
Yeah, you can undo
click.
it and try. Yeah.
And it's very annoying. All you got to do is tighten this little ring up, and there you go.
That's it.
You taught me that because I asked, why do these? This was years ago. Why do these canes always make these noises? Because people don't.
Yeah, it's the magic ring.
It's a very simple thing to do.
And then, so we have the large bases, and then we have canes.
Yeah.
These are like canes that are already put together. But if you have a special cane at home that you like, but you need a tip on it, or something that has a little bit of a broader base, we have them separately.
Yeah,
so
you've got all kinds, as a matter of fact.
And then actually I brought a little mini one.
Yeah.
And it does the same thing, it's just a little bit of a smaller base. So if you need just a little bit of help, you can use the little tip.
And what you can see on this one, there's just a little bit of a give here. So when you go to put this down, you've got that a little bit of stability.
Right.
This one's a little stiffer, but still, you know, the same thing. Much better than not having one.
Exactly.
And these are all interchangeable. You can buy different. You can buy the cane you want, and then
put the tip on it.
Put the tip on and things like that. So all different kinds of stuff.
Very easy.
And canes of every kind and every color.
Every kind and every
you
color.
You even have clear ones.
I do.
I'm waiting for the one that has built-in LED lights inside.
You know, somebody asked for that.
I bet you that someday or somewhere they're out there.
I'm going to have to talk to my manufacturer and see if we can get that done.
That would be kind of neat.
It would be.
Yeah. Very good. And of course, they are located right there on the corner of El Toro and Paseo de Valencia. They also have one in Newport Beach off, is it 16th or
16th in Newport.
Yeah. And if you want to go down there, you can as well. All kinds of different things, as you can see here. She's brought a variety of different ways to help you with your life. And you know, what's really nice is she knows her stuff. She's an occupational therapist. She's not just going to sell you something going, here, you need a cane, here you go. She's going to figure out in her team there which is right for you, whatever it may be. Because this is really great. Maybe this isn't right for you, and she'll tell you that.
Definitely.
Right?
I'm very honest.
Yes, you are. And she keeps her hair really clean with this shower. Sometimes
every morning.
Sometimes in the store she'll have this on, just in case you see her with that. Good to see you.
Thank you. Great to be here always.
Bye-bye. We'll be right back.